Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Site Survey Pros. Another update. So we changed the theme for our website for the directory listing for the network cabling directory, structure cabling directory, and for a wireless site survey directory. So we changed the theme. We still have all of our other contractors and companies in here, but we're a little short on staff. So we are slowly adding your companies to our list, but we did make some changes. So the main change is there's no more longitude and latitude fields. So right now you have to select the region. If you don't see your region, for example, we're slowly adding this. Like in Canada, we have all the provinces, Alberta, BC, Manitoba, New Brunswick, etc., etc. Then we're slowly adding in each province the major territories. Now, depending on what state or province, let's say you're in the US and your state isn't that big, compared to like Los Angeles or New York. Let's say you're in a small state and, your population in your state isn't that big, so you wouldn't have that many contractors or counties or cities within your province. For example, we're in Ontario, one of our offices in Ontario, but within Ontario, geographically it's a large area. So for a network cabling company to be listed in our directory, we can have multiple cabling contractors in Ontario. So you won't see your city, or let's say you don't see your state or your county. The first thing you want to do is just email us and say, can you please add this county? And we'll take a look at the area, see if there's any contractors in there currently, then we'll add you, or we'll add that unique county or city within your state. So for this province of Ontario, like Ottawa itself is pretty large, so we might have 4 contractors in there, one taking care of like maybe Barhaven or Orleans, the other one taking care of Canada, the other one downtown Ottawa. And then also in Ontario, you have Toronto. And within Toronto, you have major cities or, I guess, areas or municipalities within the GTA. So you might have Oakville, which is out in the west, and then you might have someone in the east like Pickering and Oshawa, and then you might have someone that might take care of downtown Toronto. So you can have 2 in Toronto, 2 in Oshawa, and maybe 2 in Mississauga, and that'll take care of Toronto. So we'll have a total of 6 within the greater Toronto area. That's for 6 cabling installers, and for wireless site surveys, the same thing. We might have 6 installers, or maybe 2. It just depends on everyone's county, state, and city, depending on the population, because like I mentioned, there's probably only going to be 2 cabling companies, 2 wireless site survey companies for each city. So we don't want it to be too competitive as we do more marketing optimization for each of our cities and contractors that we work with. So anyways, that is it. The main thing is you want to add your list, and I'm going to show you exactly how you show up. So when your potential customers come to our directory looking for a contractor, whether it's network cabling or wireless site surveys, here you want to click on add your listing. The main key importance here is in your description, because in your description, this is your SEO, search engine optimized friendly keywords that people are looking for. So put yourself in your customer's shoes and think, what are they looking for? What is your value add? What is the product that you're offering? If the product that you specialize and that you offer is like fiber optic cabling, you want to do this. So, at your description, you might want to put this line by line, and you want to just put fiber optic cabling, press enter. You can put network cabling, Toronto, or small office cabling, New York City, and you can put this, you can put keywords after it, like you can put, network cabling in Manhattan, and don't keyword stuff everything. Make it look unique, make it blend. Don't just stuff a bunch of keywords. It's not going to look professional. But I would say after you put your description, put a little description of what your company does, who you served, how long you guys been in business, and then at the bottom just put your keywords, fiber optic cabling. I would recommend put like fiber optic cabling in New York or your city, network cabling, your city, wireless site survey professional group in your city, right? Because this is how you get found when your potential customer or someone's looking for a site survey or a structured cabling or voice cabling installer. They're going to put this keyword here. And if you have your description properly filled out, you're going to be able to be seen within that region, because they can come over here. They're going to go to, let's say in Toronto, what are they looking for? As long as that keyword is in there and they choose that certain category, right? We have barcode scanner repair, network and data cabling, or wireless site surveys. Majority of the customers come for these two things: network and data cabling and wireless site surveys. Those are the two most popular categories. So just make sure you put your description, your keyword plus your city, and then they're going to come up. And like I mentioned, email us if you don't see your county. So when you submit your listing and you come over here, you fill out all the information, the location here. So you're going to select your region. You're going to say, okay, I'm in the US, right? And I'm in the state of California, okay? You're in the state of California. Now you're going to put your region here, and you could put LA. And like I said, if you don't see it here underneath California, you don't see Los Angeles, then just put your region in there, location. Put your location, and we'll add it when we approve it. So just keep doing that, submit it. Only one listing for you guys. Don't try and have multiple emails and submit multiple listings, because we approve or deny all of the listings. So our team manually sees this. But like I mentioned, this is the most important thing. Have your description, put a little bit about you, what niche you service, and put your specialization. And then at the bottom, put your keywords / city, because that's going to help you get optimized and found more within our site, because our site gets enough hits already, but it's going to also help optimize your site to get found. So anyways, I wanted to make this quick video because I had a lot of questions from other cabling companies about this. This is the most important thing. And then also you get a backlink to your website, and that gives you SEO optimization, gives you like a Google, kind of like a plus in Google's eyes, and it's going to help rank your website as well. Again, put your phone number. I would recommend starting a YouTube channel, and I have a free course if you want to learn how to do YouTube videos, optimization to help your website rank. I've got a free course. Just keep watching our YouTube videos. But anyways, like I mentioned, description, keywords. If you don't know what kind of keyword tools to use, contact us. I think we have a free video on what keywords to best use. Anyways, again, description, keywords, and I'll see you in the next video. Just add your listing. Tell more contractors about this, to add your listing. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.